Hey, what's up everyone? It's Sad. I just want to say thank you so much for coming in, and a special shout out for Comments for organizing this amazing event. We spoke a lot about how you can build a successful e-commerce store. We talked about branding and more about the system of how you can scale it. And I was surprised with so many amazing questions from the people who came through and the mindset that everybody has in here. So thank you so much for showing up. I hope I can do another one here in Casablanca. Until next time, peace.